Let's jump right to the point. Basically, this AI makes you seem like you are attending a class while you use a potato as a router.
Hi guys, Stephen here. My video is a little choppy, sorry. How is everyone today?
So right now, I'm on another device calling my Zoom bot, and let's see if he responds. Hello?
Hi guys, Stephen here. My video is a little choppy, sorry. How is everyone today?
How are you?
I am doing great, thank you for asking.
Wow, very nice. Are you a robot?
You are the bot, not me.
Now, how the AI actually does this is a video for another time, as the AI is intelligent and you are not, so we will not cross that bridge for now. If you want me to make a video about how this AI works and how you can set it up for yourself, then let me know in the comments and I will make a follow-up video tutorial on it. This AI is really exciting because it highlights all the possibilities we have with our Zoom classes this semester. We could innovate and make the classroom a better place to learn, or we could just create fun products and lighten the mood like what I'm doing here. I'll be exploring all these possibilities on my YouTube channel the next coming weeks, so subscribe to find out and stay tuned. Same note, do not abuse these toys. Once again, the classroom is still a place to learn, and these toys can be very distracting. So an example of wholesome use is maybe at the beginning of class, you'll turn it on, share a couple of laughs with their friends, maybe surprise the professor a bit, but just turn it off during class and make sure you're paying attention. When you're with your friends, you can turn it on and mess with them however much you like, so that's a very cool way and very fun way to use this technology. Now I want to show you some clips of me using this, and I crashed my professor's meeting, and it's really funny, so stay tuned to find out. A quick disclaimer before we jump in. This idea is originally from Matt Reed from redpepper.land, who posted an AI like this on his website. You can check him out, his link is in the description. Now, let's get to the content. Alright, let's check out this Zoom meeting that my brother just sent me. Okay, let's go.
It should
Oh my god.
be uploaded, and the links and everything are in the syllabus, so you can go ahead and get it's only $30.
Look, he's smiling.
But I think Tams is going to provide.
Oh my.
We should
They're
just have this
ignoring me.
before class starts.
Good webcam and a good computer.
I think it might be time.
Yeah.
Alright, it's now or never.
Is expertise
Hi
that
guys,
people
Stephen
really
here.
like?
My video is a little choppy, sorry.
Oh
How
my
is
God.
everyone today?
Steven
I am
became a
doing great,
robot.
thank you for asking.
Oh my god.
You are the bot, not me.
He called me a bot.
So people didn't like Expert TA last semester?
Did you like
What is
expert
this?
TA?
Oh my god, someone said, what is
What is
this?
this?
Oh my god.
How did you like expert TA?
Oh, the bot's taking a bit to respond.
So you like
There it goes.
What do you mean? I am perfectly normal.
Oh my god.
so you'll need a microphone.
Oh my god.
So you'll need
Say
a
something for
webcam,
my
a
bot.
microphone, and a computer.
Man, this is taking so
and,
long.
As I said, if
Oh,
you know,
I think.
you could
Yes.
I'm thinking.
Amazing.
Let's circle back on this.
Okay, we'll do.
Just to give some context, Steven coded a bot on Zoom.
Yeah, that's
you can
right, I
actually
did.
do programming on Zoom.
Are you a bot?
No,
Can you
he's
say
here right now. He's
something?
working right now. That's not asking
No.
a bot. Oh, you can
Are
ask
you
the
a
bot
bot?
stuff.
Oh, there we go.
You are the bot, not me.
Oh,
Dang.
oh my god, he's getting on a call. Oh shoot, what is this?
what's going on?
What is the command?
Yes.
What do you mean? I am
Now's not the
perfectly
time.
normal.
I'm having a Zoom meeting with,
Wait, why is he on a
with
call?
the students.
Is he exposing me?
Like a robot? Yes, it sounds
Oh my
like
God.
a robot, yes. Because there's a robot on the Zoom.
Am I getting called
too.
out? What is this?
Some kind of robot, yeah.
Oh no!
You are the bot, not me.
What the?
Okay, alright, okay, alright. Alright.
Okay.
Alright, okay.
Okay.
Bye, Dr.
Bye-bye.
Prince.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Talk
Okay,
to
go the
everybody
host.
later. Be safe.
Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you think I deserved it and you enjoy seeing content like this, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.